Welcome to JasonSoft Training Consult channel. Ever found yourself in a pickle with a product or service that didn't live up to your expectations? Imagine how you wish the situation was handled. Today, we're diving into the art of problem solving, a crucial skill that can turn any sticky situation into an opportunity for growth and improvement. First and foremost, understanding the problem is paramount. Without a clear understanding, it's like trying to hit a bullseye in the dark. Gather all the relevant facts about the situation. Listen attentively and without defensiveness to the customer's concerns. Repeat the problem back to them to confirm your understanding. This step clears away any confusion and sets a solid foundation for the problem-solving process. Secondly, identify the cause of the problem. Ask what happened and clarify what should have occurred instead. This will help you determine what went wrong. By asking these questions, you can pinpoint the root cause of the problem, just like a detective following clues to solve a mystery. Having identified the cause, it's time to discuss possible solutions. This step is a collaborative effort between you and the customer. Seek their input and ideas on how to rectify the situation. Propose various options and together agree on the most suitable course of action. This step ensures that all parties are on the same page and happy with the proposed solution. Now comes the part where the rubber meets the road, solving the problem. With a resolution plan in hand, it's time to spring into action. Eliminate the root cause of the problem and implement corrective measures. Once done, confirm with the customer that they are satisfied with the resolution. The ultimate goal is to ensure the customer feels valued and heard, leading to a strengthened relationship. In a nutshell, effective problem solving involves understanding the problem, identifying the cause, discussing potential solutions, and finally, solving the problem. By mastering these steps, you'll be well equipped to turn any problem into an opportunity for growth and continued business success. After all, the value you bring is directly proportional to the size of the problems you solve. So roll up those sleeves and get ready to tackle the next challenge that comes your way. Before we wrap things up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've discussed the integral steps of effective problem solving: understanding the problem, identifying its cause, discussing potential solutions, and finally, solving the problem. Remember, the value you bring to your business is directly proportional to the size of the problems you are able to solve. Let's not forget the ultimate goal here: customer satisfaction. It's the driving force behind everything we do. So, when you're faced with a problem, think of it as an opportunity to improve your customer's experience and satisfaction. I encourage you to apply these steps to your own business situations. Keep in mind that every problem, no matter how big or small, is an opportunity for growth. So don't shy away from problems, instead embrace them. Thanks for joining our journey in mastering customer issue resolution. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your team. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of excellence in customer service together. See you in the next video. Thank you.